Here I've got Apple iPad Pro 11 from 2020, and let me show you how to activate black and white display on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select accessibility, it's right here, and then go to display and text size. And over here you have to locate and open color filters, and if you'd like to apply black and white mode, just tap here on color filters. And now you've got the grayscale. Obviously you can pick some other option if you want to, but as for the black and white option, you have to stay at grayscale, and this is how it will look like. So this is it. Now you can use your phone in black and white display. You can smoothly enjoy this way of usage, and whenever you would like to go back to the standard mode, just open the settings, go to the accessibility, pick display and text size, and go to color filters, switch it off, and as you can see now we are back in the standard mode. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.